Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm going to be unboxing another beauty box, and this time I've got Asos, and this is the September box. So I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you want to see all the contents, then I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. So for the last 2 years, maybe now, Asos have been doing these monthly beauty boxes. It's not a subscription, you just go online, take a look, they tell you exactly what's inside the box. If it takes your fancy, you buy it. If it doesn't, then you don't. So no hassle, no signing up, nothing. It's an easy peasy beauty box. The boxes cost £12, but sometimes they do special boxes like Clinique or Bobbi Brown, and those boxes cost £15. Asos do ship internationally, but not to all countries. It's in the description, so underneath this video see show more, click that, that'll bring up my description. I will pop down the list of all the countries they will ship to and all details and links and everything related to this box. So if you're interested in getting it for yourself, then you're welcome to take a look. Shipping is free if you spend over £30 on Asos website, or it's £3 if you spend under £30. Or you can do what I've done, and I've paid £9.99, and that entitles me to have free shipping and next day delivery for a whole year. So because I get these every month, plus I buy things off Asos quite regularly as well, it's brilliant. It's really good. So that's what I do, and I'll be doing that now once my year is up. I'll be renewing it again. All the products that are inside the Asos box can be bought on their website, so I'll seek the links out and I'll pop them down in the description as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. In all their boxes, they don't give you information about the products. There's a little leaflet here which I will read, but it doesn't go into detail about the products as such. But it says, get ready to discover our Face and Body's team all-time favourites. Ever wanted to know what products the Face and Body pros swear by? From innovative formulas to fail-safe heroes, this month Asos box has been handpicked to feature the team's 5 most loved products. First up, we have the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, chosen by buyer assistant Zosia Londes. It leaves my skin feeling hydrated and refreshed by soothing any dry patches. Then there's Ultimmune Power Infusing Concentrate, which strengthens your skin and reduces signs of aging, says assistant buyer Joanna Teether. For buyer's assistant Inka Mora, it's all about the new OA Scalp and Body Scrub. This scrub cleanses my skin from head to toe, leaving it feeling softer than ever. Next up, we've got the Smashbox Superfan Mascara, which has won over merchandiser Samantha Geppert. I love this mascara and the fan effect it creates by separating my lashes. Finally, you can discover Aussie-born brand Alpha H Liquid Gold. You'll notice its magic working as it smooths your skin's texture to achieve that glow we're all striving for, says junior buyer Claire Delves. Apologies if I really got all those names wrong. I'm not the best at reading, unfortunately. Anyway, these are all the products, so we just go through them one by one. First is Shiseido Ultimmune Power Infusing Concentrate, and we've got 10 mils here. It's a serum. It's a face serum. Look at this packaging, isn't it gorgeous? Really cool. It's just a really nice gel type of formula serum. No, smells nice too. Nice and fruity. It's really nice. So yeah, so that's the first item there. We got an Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I love this brand. I've tried quite a few of their products, and I particularly like their tinted creams. They're amazing. They have really high SPF, and they're just a really lovely base, especially in the summertime. If you don't want to wear heavy makeup, you just want to wear something lightweight that covers a bit and gives you SPF as well. They do brilliantly. So this is their Ultra Repair Cream. And intense hydration for dry, parched skin, safe for sensitive skin, and we've got 28.3 grams there. I've had some work done on my face. I've had some advanced electrolysis and I'm wearing heavy makeup, but even though I'm wearing heavy makeup, you can still see badness underneath. I had it done 4 days ago and it's just healing now, so this is the first time I've been able to wear makeup, so it's going to look pretty nasty for the next couple of days, but it's to remove sebaceous hyperplasia. They're all like lumps underneath the skin, so hopefully it works, but I have to look like this for the time being. So I really need like nice creams for sensitive skin to help with dry, parched skin, to help with the healing. So no, I'm going to give that a go and see what that's like on my face. So it says here, apply as needed from head to toe throughout the day. So there's that. Then we got Alpha H Liquid Gold with glycolic acid, and this is 50 mils. There's that. It says revitalizes and assists in firming the skin in a single application through a multi-action formula of silk protein and licorice. Apply onto cleansed skin each alternate evening. Moisten cotton pad and solution and apply to face, neck and décolletage. When the skin is touch dry, apply your preferred Alpha H moisturizer or serum. For an intensive treatment, do not follow with a moisturizer or serum. Okay, so there's that. Next we got a scalp and body scrub by Bouvet. I think that's how you say it, Bouvet. And we've got a 30-gram pot here. It's like there. Oh, we just see a massive spider. Hold on, it's just dropped. It's dropped into my big box of makeup and beauty that I receive from subscription boxes for the month. It's down by my feet. It's quite a big spider. I'm not scared of spiders at all, but I know my daughter is. And her bedroom's next door, so I'm going to have to look through it. I hope to God it stays in that box so I can rummage through it afterwards and try and get rid of it. Nightmare. September is a nightmare for spiders in this house. Absolute nightmare. If you know of any tips and tricks, please let me know. They don't bother me, but it really, really affects my daughter. She's got a huge phobia. But yeah, back to this. This smells gorgeous. Oh, that is gorgeous. Really, really lovely. That's what it looks like there. Not sure how much you can see. I don't want it to go. I keep looking down there now. I don't want it to go. I don't want it to disappear. Hopefully it's hidden somewhere. This says refine and treat overworked skin and hair with this foaming probiotic coconut oil infused scrub featuring gentle exfoliating sugar crystals. So there's that. And lastly, we've got a mascara by Smashbox. And what is this called? Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. I've already got one of these. Can't remember where I got it from now. But I think in a limited edition latest in beauty box, maybe. I'm not too sure now. But it's okay. I'm not that keen on these type of mascaras. I'll show you now. With these wands. Not that keen. I prefer more big fluffier brushes because I find that they grab my short straight lashes much better, but I do like it for my under eyelashes because they are tiny and I can't go in there with a big fluffy brush. So yeah, so I found that quite handy. So yeah, I've got another one now. So there's that. So I'll just gather them all up. So these are all the products inside Asos's September beauty box. It costs £12 a box, and it says on their website that we have a saving of over 70%. But yeah, we got some really great brands here, some quite high-end brands as well, and quite some familiars. You always get 5 products, and sometimes they're full size, sometimes they're not, as you can see. But yeah, really lovely. And I think the fact, because you know what exactly is inside the box, then it's up to you then. If you think it's something that takes your fancy, you buy it. If not, then you don't, do you? Now, they release normally on the 1st of every month. Sometimes it can be a day or two late. There's no particular times they do them either. But from the 1st, I am there every few hours looking online, waiting for this box. Because if it's a really good box, they tend to sell out super fast, within days. So as soon as I find out, as soon as I've spotted one, I bought one, I then pop it up on my Facebook page, on my Instagram page, Diary of a Beauty Geek, same as this, and to let you all know. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.